Are you seeing the signs of aging appear around your eyes? This area shows the changes first, and with the skin in this area being very delicate, it's important to use an eye treatment daily. MultiVitamin Power Firm helps repair the signs of aging with an infusion of multivitamins to your skin. Vitamin A, C, E and red seaweed are skin rebuilding antioxidants that increase skin elasticity, firmness, targets damaging free radicals to help protect the skin, and protects against moisture loss to minimise fine lines that come with dehydration. The texture is of a silicone consistency that melts gently into your skin, and the passion flower provides a scent that is delicious. If you need any more information about the MultiVitamin Power Firm or guidance around the Dermalogica products, please visit our website and click on advice.